I'm James Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over accessing Builderall resources for promotions. So the first set of resources you have to promote are obviously the funnels. So to get to the funnels you come to Builderall Business and Affiliate Funnels, and then you can scroll through all the funnels that you have available. But there's also some more resources, and those resources can be found at elements.builderall.com, and we're going to go there now. So now we're on the Elements page, and this has all the design and elements that Builderall uses and provides for you to use. So if we scroll down you can see all the Builderall 3.0 launch material, image, banners, presentations, email swipes and more, and we can download all of those by clicking the download button. And then we have the logo that we can download and use, but we're not allowed to edit the logo in any way, shape or form. The logo must stay exactly the same as it is on these images, but you can download and use them. And then we have the recommended colors which match the brand. So obviously you don't want to be matching crazy colors together when promoting because it just doesn't look professional. So these are the recommended colors which go well. And below this we have the typography. So we have all the fonts and sizes that Builderall use on their websites, and you can also download them. Then below this we have all of the images, so you can download a big pack of images to use for your promotions. Underneath this we have all of the fan page banners, and you can use these to give a professional look to your page. Underneath this you have all the YouTube banners, so you can download the YouTube banners to upload to your YouTube channel. Underneath this we have all the PowerPoint PDFs. So you can actually create your own live presentations, all readily done on Builderall. So if you want to do a webinar, you just download the slides and boom, you're ready to go. Underneath here we have business cards, so you can download business card templates, fill in your info and then print them out, and you've got professional business cards ready to go. Below this we have Facebook and Instagram banners that you can download and upload to your Facebook and Instagram. Underneath this we have flyers, so if you want to put on your own Builderall event, you can download the flyers, fill in your information and print out and hand out the flyers. Underneath this is all the shared images. So any images you want to share on social media, you can download them here, and Builderall has a large variety of shareable images. Underneath this we have all of the email swipes for Builderall. So here you can see there's 5 weeks worth of emails, and then there's a 7-day free email sequence for when people go on the trial. It's always a good idea to edit the emails a little bit to give your own flair, as sending out mass email swipes which haven't been edited at all can trigger spam, and it's just a really good idea to add your own flair and add your own words. So underneath this we have the Builderall videos that you can use, so you can download the videos and upload them to your websites, and I'm sure there's going to be a ton more here soon. And then of course all the information and images on this page is protected by Builderall copyright. So in this video we went over accessing Builderall resources for promotions.